Barney and Cowboy. Well, we're meeting a big truck up here, pulling a planter down the road. And it's on a trailer, naturally. And the tractor in front of us there, too, on trailer. Pretty good size planter. Looks like probably about a 10 row, I suppose. Full weather out here for about towards the end of March, or even drivers out here on motorcycles. Sun's shining, and going up here to Sioux City to pick up a load there and go to Minnesota. And I don't see anybody out here starting any field work right now out here, but I see people out there fertilizing already, putting that hydrous down or whatever. About 75 degrees out here today. Beautiful weather. Just about air conditioning time. And I don't see a lot of, there is a lot of truck traffic out here at times. Going from Fremont to Sioux City to Lincoln, or down that way. But I really don't see anybody out there doing any field work there yet. So happy trails, 285.